A senior member of the Jamaica Labour Party is responding to criticisms by MP for West Central St. James, Marlene Malahoo Forte, on the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority Narra bill. The former JLP Cabinet member pointed to several gaps in the bill being debated in the lower house. However, former Mayor of Kingston, Delroy believes that while there may be opposing views, the bill is solid.
If a member has a view, that view that you hold does not make the bill problematic. And that has to be very clear. Not because we have a view that is different from the view that is being carried in the bill, from the structure of the bill. Not because we hold a view means that the bill is problematic. And that's how I've looked at the bill, as I've said. From my experience as the former mayor of Kingston and with my understanding of the approval processes, I believe that the bill is strong.
And Opposition Senator Cleveland Tomlinson wants the bill to be sent to a joint select committee before advancing further in Parliament.
Its current form is an affront to accountability and good governance. It makes no provision for a board of the authority. There's no audit committee, no internal auditor, and no clear risk management function. Yet, this is an entity that will be responsible for managing billions of dollars, including public funds and facilitating private investment. That cannot be right.